Howdy people. So this is coming at you post wedding trip. Big success. It was great to take the truck out and spend some time away. We did a bit, we did some improvements up to that date to get the truck livable. We didn't get done what we wanted to get done. So I'm in a mad rush now. I've already spent a day down here and then been back to work, and now I've got a few more days to try and get everything sorted for Scotland. So the essentials are the water system running, some lights outside, electric sorted, so the fridge plumbed in, the pump needs to be plumbed into the electric, etc, etc. All the cables are there, I just need to sort a switch box out, temporary switch box. So I need to get all that done, and then I need to do some servicing tomorrow on the truck. I need to do all the oils, grease all the nipples. Everyone likes to grease nipples, right? We'll get that done. So what I'm going to do is just going to spin the camera around and give you a quick update to where we are, because you are going to see some pretty amazing changes. Okay, now excuse the mess, because it is a right bomb site at the moment. I'm really struggling to try and get stuff done, so there's stuff everywhere. Right, so worktop is in, it is fixed down. It was a ball ache because I left it for a few days and it went like a banana. Anyway, it's down. We're not going to have the gas stove installed in time for Scotland, so we're going to use a portable stove, not a problem. Kitchen sink is in. It's plumbed in, waste is done. Got a temporary waste solution for now. I'll show you that in a minute. Still not tested the water system yet, or if the waste system is leaking, but we'll find that out shortly. Gas boiler switch is in. This is all temporary on the back here. I'm going to do something a bit better, but it's there for now. What else? So down here, again, excuse the mess, there's a lot of stuff going on. So I've got a temporary waste solution for now. Just to see us through for 10 days in Scotland, which will more than do it. We've got our water systems all installed. I need to test all this shortly. I'm hoping I'm not going to get any leaks. There's a lot of joins on it, but there's a lot going on. What else? The shower's not going to be up and running, but we've got some campsite stays anyway. I've got to sort out all my electrics, wire all in, and make a temporary switch box for the fridge, the water pump, and the light outside, which I'll show you now. So installed a light outside. It's 1/2 metre long and sits underneath the awning and just spreads that light all the way around. It's nice, it tucks up underneath, so that's done. And underneath here I need to put the breather pipe across the top, and that's going to come out up underneath here. I need to do that, and then I've got to move some stuff around. This strap's too low, it doesn't hold it. I need to move that valve to the other side, one way or no return valve. I need to do that as well. And then it's a case of servicing the beast. I need to top up all the oils and grease all the props, all the nipples on the prop shafts, etc. Lots to do, 2 days. As you can see, everything's out. It's a mess. Cracking on. Okay, we've got a switch box there, just temporary box for the water pump, fridge and outside light. And water. Currently flowing into there, 20 litre waste tub for now. Everything's working good, and what's that like? And everything's fine in here, all good. So, successful day yesterday. Water's up and running, we're all good. Today, however, we're servicing the oils on the truck. So today we're doing the oils, lots of different type of oil. Engine oil is fine, doesn't need changing since it was serviced. So we've got miniature grade OEP 220, some EP90 and EP2 lithium grease. I did have a grease gun, I've lost it, I don't know where it's gone, so I've had to go and get another one, so about an hour late this morning. I'm also going to be respraying the wheels today, touching them up, because when we had them changed, the locking rings were rusted in, so it took a bit of battering to get them out. So I'm going to respray those as well today. Okay, so just greased all the nipples on the props. That's done. I don't know if you can see that. So I've got the truck level. It's perfectly level now. And next thing is to top these up. This one here, you can see it's been leaking. It only seeps when it's warm. So I think the seal's gone, but I've got a spare one, so I'm going to clean it all up and put a new one in, I think, and then top it up. So, turns out, reason that was leaking, I undid the plug and the oil come out in abundance, shall we say. That is the fill point. It should be level with that. It looks like that whoever did the service overfilled it, hence why it's been leaking. So I've tightened that back up and cleaned it all. Hopefully that'll do the trick, but the oil that came out was super clean, which is good. So yes, all good there. So we just did the wiper seal, undid that, and again, nice clean oil. It's level, so that's all good too. Ain't got a lot to do. So the driver's side, however, does need a top up, so we'll get that topped up. Okay, so that's all the oils topped up. Just going to start her up and just let her run for 10 minutes, warm up, make sure everything's fine, there's no leaks. There we go, 4 nicely sprayed wheels. Protects them a bit more. Okay, so what I've done up here, I put a non-return valve on here, but someone reminded me that I can still get water coming out of here, so I've just put a stop tap on the top there just to isolate that, so nothing can come back out the filter, out through the fill point. Howdy folks. So we got some some lettering to go on the truck, both sides, in that gap there. Hopefully Kerry's trusted me to stick that on, so I'm gonna give it a good clean, both sides, and then yeah, see how we get on. So first trial run to get that on, and it went on sweet as a nut. So now for the big ones, however I'm a bit dubious about it. And this is why you should not get me to do shit like this, Kerry. Drops to about half a centimetre. What a fucking ball ache, and then once it's on you can't get it off. Told you, woman, get a professional to do it. So I'm just showing Kerry my awesome sticker work. Alright, and I'm just going to test her to see if she's fluent in other languages. What does that say?
Diesel.
Now, can you read Arabic?
I'll give it a shot. Diesel.
Oh my goodness. What about Russian?
Diesel.
Holy moly. What about Americanese?
I think that says gas oil.
We have fitted the table. It just adds a whole new layer, a new level to it again. So we bought this marine base some time ago, like literally it's got to be a year ago, because it was a good deal, and it didn't quite fit. It wasn't tall enough for full extension, so Craig's built this base out of leftover worktop. It works really well, it's really effective, it looks really smart. Just ties it all in together. Well done, you.
Thank you. Another job done.
Yeah. And that then drops down in there. Spare bed. Oh, you know, sofa area. Looks
Can we
smart,
go
babe.
travelling, please?
Yes, we can. Should we start with Scotland?
Yes. Need to get out in now.
Right, we are almost ready to go to Scotland. Craig's been working really hard getting it ready. This looks fine. Don't know what he's on about. I mean, it's just Craig in it, and we have our guest of honour, Mark, is visiting the truck today. Mark was Craig's best man, and he's not seen him in real life. So we have got all of our kit and equipment. Table is in, looks so good. Cushions and everything back in. Got to make the bed yet. Craig has got the tap and running water going. A hole there for the cooker because we don't really need it for these next 2 weeks in Scotland. So we are pretty much good to go. Can't wait. You ready?
I think so.
Right, let's go.
Alright, me old babbers. We be off on a jolly holiday, innit? Laters. And translated into good old English. Okay, my friends, we are going on a holiday. See you soon.